Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are safe at your home. In last video you learnt about different rocks and also about different soil. In this video you will learn about what does soil contain. We will do one activity. Place some soil from a garden in a large bottle. Pour some water in the bottle. Place the lid on and shake the bottle well. Now let the bottle remain undisturbed for several minutes. Observe the different layers that settle down. You will observe different layers that are settled down. Now we will know more about these layers. In the activity you notice that small stones called gravel. What are small stones called? Small stones which settle at the bottom are called gravel. Above the gravel is a layer of soil containing large particles. These are sand particles. In the bottom gravel, then above the gravel sand particles. You can see the particles separately. Then above the sand you can see a layer of soil containing very fine particles. You cannot see the particles separately. This is a layer of a clay. This is a layer of clay. Then floating on the top of the water are dark brown pieces of humus. Floating on the top of the water are dark brown pieces of humus. There are spaces between the soil particles. सॉइल पार्टिकल्स के बीच में स्पेस होती है. ये स्पेस पानी से और एयर से भरी होती है. दिस स्पेसेस आर फिल्ड विथ एयर एंड वाटर. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट टाइप्स ऑफ सॉइल. कितनी टाइप्स की सॉइल होती है? हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ सॉइल? आपने कभी पॉटर को पॉट बनाते हुए देखा है? द सॉइल दैट इज यूज्ड टू मेक पॉट्स is soft and can be made easily into any shape. The soil contains tiny particle and is smooth to touch. It mostly contains clay. Such soil is called clay soil. The soil particles in clay soil do not have large space between them. There is not much air in the soil. Water cannot go through this soil easily. The soil therefore holds a lot of water and it's sticky. Plants roots need both water and air. Plants को दोनों चीज़ें चाहिए, पानी भी और हवा भी. उनको बढ़ने के लिए दोनों चीज़ें चाहिए. Therefore plants cannot grow well in clay soil. Have you ever been to beach? Yes. सब लोग बीच पे गए हैं. प्लेइंग विथ सैंड इज अ लॉट ऑफ फन. यस, प्लेइंग विथ सैंड, हमें सैंड से खेलने में मज़ा आता है. इट फील्स रफ एंड लूज. सॉइल विच कंटेन्स अ लॉट ऑफ सैंड इज कॉल्ड सैंडी सॉइल. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग द लाइन. सॉइल विच कंटेन्स अ लॉट ऑफ सैंड is called sandy soil. Sandy soil has large particles with lots of space between them. अगर आप हाथ में लेके रेती को नीचे तो कैसे वो easily चली जाती है. So water goes through these spaces very easily. Therefore sandy soil cannot hold much water. Very few plants can grow in sandy soil. बहुत कम प्लांट ग्रो हो सकते हैं सैंडी सॉइल. जैसे आप देखते हो कि बीच के पास बहुत सारे प्लांट्स नहीं होते. लोम इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ सैंड एंड क्ले. इट कैन होल्ड बोथ वाटर एंड एयर. लोमी सॉइल ऑल्सो हैज ह्यूमस इन इट. मोस्ट प्लांट्स ग्रो वेल इन लोमी सॉइल. So you learnt about 3 types of soil: clay soil, sandy soil and loam soil. Now importance of soil. Plants grow well in soil. They take water and minerals from soil. Thus, soil provides us food. Different plants grow well in different types of soil. Rice grows well in clayey soil, whereas bajra grows well in sandy soil. Most plants grow well in loamy soil. Manures or fertilizers are added to make it rich and fertile. Manures and fertilizers are added to make it rich, ताकि वो अच्छी yield दें, इसीलिए उनको ऐड करते हैं. Plants can then grow better and give a greater yield. Some animals like earthworm, rabbits live in the soil. So, soil is home for animals like rabbits and earthworms and moles. We also use things from the soil to build our house. We also use things to build our houses which we get from soil. We make cement, brick, glass from soil. We make bricks, cement and glass from soil. So students, in this chapter you learned about rocks and soil. Okay, thank you.